What's the meaning of apoplexy? Apoplexy. Apoplexy.
Apoplexy. Apoplexy. Apoplexy is a medical condition characterized by a sudden loss of consciousness, paralysis, and sometimes death, caused by bleeding into the brain. The result of apoplexy can be devastating, as it often leads to permanent brain damage or even death. Symptoms can include sudden intense headaches, difficulty speaking or understanding speech, loss of vision, numbness or weakness in the face, arms or legs, and loss of coordination. Immediate medical attention is necessary to prevent further damage and improve outcomes for those affected by apoplexy.